Erysipelas. Erysipelas is Greek red skin, Ignis Sacer, holy fire, Saint Anthony fire, an acute spreading inflammation of the upper, outer, dermis and superficial lymphatics. It has got typical skin rash presenting on legs, toes, face and fingers due to acute infection by beta hemolytic Streptococcus pyogenes, presenting as raised well-demarcated skin rash, rashes due to exotoxin. It is more superficial than cellulitis. In olden days, it was more common in face, now it is common in legs. Infection occurs through a minor trauma. It affects all races, more common in females. There will be always cutaneous lymphangitis with development of rose-pink rash with cutaneous lymphatic edema. Vesicles which form eventually will rupture to cause serous discharge. Sites, orbit, face and ear lobule, most common, hands and scrotum, umbilicus in infants, decubitus ulcer of lower limb, legs and feet are now becoming more common sight. Features. Tauchemia is always a feature. Rash is fast spreading and blanches on pressure. It is raised with sharp margin. Redness becomes brown and later yellow with vesicles. Discharge is serous. In cellulitis discharge is purulent. In the face and orbit it causes severe edema. Million's ear sign is a clinical sign used to differentiate erysipelas from cellulitis wherein ear lobule is spared. Skin of ear lobule is adherent to the subcutaneous tissue and so cellulitis cannot occur. Erysipelas being a cutaneous condition can spread into the ear lobule. Gaston Million, dermatologist Paris, 1945. Tender, regional lymph nodes are usually palpable. Differential diagnosis: herpes zoster, angineurotic edema, contact dermatitis. Complications 3/4. Septicemia, localized cutaneous and subcutaneous gangrene are dangerous problems. Abscess, pneumonia, meningitis may develop. Lymphedema of face or eyelid or limbs, when involved, can occur due to lymphatic fibrosis. Glomerulonephritis, not rheumatic fever, septic arthritis, necrotizing fasciitis, can occur occasionally. Recurrence rate is 20%. It causes disfiguring sequelae. Treatment: antibiotics like penicillins, clindamycin, erythromycin, roxithromycin given. Recurrent erysipelas may require injection benzathine penicillin, long-term penicillin, monthly for 2 years. B. Erysipeloid disease XX, also called as fish handler's disease XX, occurs following any cuts or scratches XX. It has features of both erysipelas and cellulitis XX. It is self-limiting with relatively mild symptoms.